do we have volcanoes in this area? And what would happen if we actually had a super volcano anywhere near us? So why don't you pause the video for a second and you can talk in your group about those. Okay, South Dakota actually does have earthquakes. We have this thing called the Richter scale, which measures earthquakes, and we actually had one in last year in Pierre, and it rated around a 2 on the Richter scale. Not like a crazy earthquake where everyone's gonna feel it, but it picked it up, and so these little devices do pick those up. So we do have earthquakes in South Dakota. As far as volcanoes, we have a partially but inactive volcano called Bear Butte by Sturgis. Next closest one would be Devil's Tower, and that's by Hewlett, Wyoming, which is about an hour away from my hometown of Belle Fourche. And then we have a massive super volcano called Old Faithful, and this is found in Montana. And so this is what we know as a super volcano, and if that would erupt, that would take out our whole state, along with about half of the continental United States. But we don't notice these things because they're moving so slowly. So it's kind of neat that we look at some of this motion. Okay, so homework. You do have a worksheet that you can work on that is due tomorrow. And then there is a supplementary video that will go through some of the math problems available for you. So tomorrow you'll have a lab on speed, and so you are going to be racing cars, so I appreciate that you do not throw the cars or argue about the cars, but you do stand tasks so that you can finish that lab on time. The homework assignment is due tomorrow,